morning everyone. We are from group 5 and today we will present the result of our discussion about tips or special occasion speech. Before we begin, allow me to introduce my group members. Febri Yulia Putri, Anggun Idriani, Nadira Faiza, and myself Sagrino Razi Avata as the moderator. Now let's start our presentation. The first material will be presented by Yulia. By Yulia, time is short.
Types of special occasion speeches in their context. First, speech of introduction. Purpose: introduce the keynote speaker. Context: seminars, conferences, webinars, formal events. Characteristic: concise and clear. States the speaker's credibility, build audience enthusiasm. Example content: opening a national seminar before the keynote speaker speaks. Second, speech welcome. Purpose: welcome guests or participants. The context: formal events, student orientation, or event openings. The characteristics: friendly and positive, conveys a sense of joy and hope, provides a brief overview of the event. Example context: welcome from the committee chair at an organization's inauguration event.
Thank you, Yulia. The next presentation will be delivered by Nadira. By Nadira, time is short.
Hi, my name is Nadira Faiza and last NPM is 14. 3. Acceptance speech. Purpose: receiving an award or position. Context: receiving an award, winning a competition. Characteristic: expression of graduate, humility, brief and sincere. Explain context: speech accepting an award for outstanding teachers. 4. Presentation speech. Purpose: presenting an award or prize. Context: appreciation, evenings, graduate, competition, celebration of achievement. Characteristic: explaining the reason for the award, citing the recipient's achievement, paying respect. Example context: presenting a trophy to a debate competition winner. 5. Tribute speech. Purpose: honoring someone who has died or contributed to a cause. Context: funeral ceremonies, commemorations of prominent figure. Characteristic: emotional and appreciative, remembering the service and values of life, entertaining the audience. Example context: a speech commemorating a national hero. 6. Farewell speech. Purpose: farewell. Context: retirement, graduation, job transfer. Characteristic: reflective, constant memories and hopes, forgets emotional closeness. Example context: farewell speech for a retiring principal.
Thank you, Nadira. The next presentation will be delivered by Anggun. By Anggun, time is short.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggun Indriani by last NPM 03 and now I will explain about strategy for choosing language and communication style according to the situation in special occasion speech. First, strategy. The strategy number 1, you must know your audience first. Adjust your language to the age, background, and position of your audience. Number 2, consider the type of event. If the type is formal, you can use formal language or polite tone. If it's celebratory, you can use warm and expressive language. And solemn, you can calm or respectful language. Number 3, adapt your speech purpose. Welcoming, honoring, celebrating, or commemorating, you can use different styles. Number 4, choose the level of formality, like formal, semi-formal, or casual according to the situation. Number 5, manage your emotions and tone. Humor is appropriate. Emotional occasions require sincerity. Number 6, use concise, meaningful words. Avoid long, overly word sentences. The next material is use of humor, storytelling, and sincerity. Number 1, humor. Main function of humor is attracts attention, lightens the mood, and makes the message memorable. And the risk is misconstrued or perceived as rude or irrelevant. Number 2, storytelling. The main function is builds emotional connection and deep understanding, and the strength makes abstract message concrete. Number 3, sincerity. Main function is builds long-term trust and credibility. The keys like honesty, consistency, and empathy.
Thank you, Anggun. I will now present the final material. Conclusion. In our speech, occasion speech, success is determined by encouraging the right language and communication style according to the audience purpose and situation. The art of humor, storytelling, and security must be proportionate and contextual humor to reach the mid. Stress to convey meaning, and security to build emotional connection, and infinitive speech, the language are much beautifully words, but rather the one that best fits the context and levels the right emotional impressions on the audience. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you.